What's going on, everybody? Well, today we're working on the 2002 GMC Sierra, and we're going to be putting in Auxbeams. Have sent us some high and low beam headlights that we're going to be trying out. Now, the ones I had in the truck, this is just a yellow one, and I've actually done a video and showed how they are at nighttime, so I'm very curious. But I guess the quality of my camera actually makes it look a little bit better. I was actually looking at the camera and I could see better than what I really could, but they're just yellow and they're not too bright, just regular lights. So we're going to upgrade, and here is the high beams right here. Now these right here are the low beams on my truck is 9005, and the high beams is 9006. So let's open up the box, and that's the way they come. Now, I really do like Auxbeam because they make good product. Matter of fact, after they sent me these, and I've had them in my other vehicles before, after they sent me these, I went ahead and ordered another set for my wife. So we're going to show you what all comes in the box. Here's your plugs, your little Auxbeam box, and there's the plugs. And you come with some zip ties. Then you got your manual, and of course they always send the Auxbeam sticker. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, because these are here, like I said. Oh yeah, also come with these boxes. And plug up to the headlight and plug up to the thing. So right there. So we're gonna be plugging these up, and then I'm gonna wait till tonight and then give y'all another little video of it. And then once I get them put in and everything, because on mine's pretty simple to change out. You know, you just, well, I'll tell you what, I'll take you around there and show you. All right, as you can see, I already got the headlight assembly out. These two bars right here, they slide down right here, and then they just pop right on out. And then I'm updating some other light bulbs, as you can see I need to. So I am getting some and updating. That's why I got the whole assembly and everything tore apart. But I got a lot of room back here, so I should be able to zip tie and keep everything nice and pretty looking. So hope I won't have no issues. All right, before I get too far ahead, I just want to show you they are plug and play. Unplugged right there's a low beam, and there's the box that come I showed you in a box, and it plugs in right here, and then you have got the headlight. And I'm gonna stick these in and then hide all the wire in the boxes right down in there. All right, y'all. Now, installing these are plug and play. But if you run into a problem like I have, and it took me a little bit, now, if you plug them up and they don't come on, they don't work, then unplug it, turn it around, and plug it back up. And then, so you got two plugs over here, so I'm gonna unplug this and plug it back up. And, well, oh, I guess it cut my headlights on. That might help. So, anyway, what I'm trying to get to show y'all, if you plug these in backwards, and it will go in backwards, then it don't work. But if you unplug it and turn it back around, which you have to fool with both plugs, they have to be in the exact way. Boom. Then the headlight comes on. So if you ever run into that problem, just take and flip it back around. All right, everybody, this right here is the factory headlights. That's dim, that's bright, not too shabby, but wanting something just a little bit brighter, so we're going to put in the new ones, and then we're going to see what kind of difference it makes. It's actually brighter on film than it is looking at the window. Alright, y'all, here's are the new ones, and like I said, I'm gonna leave everything down a link in the description. Y'all go check them out. I'm really happy with them. They're really bright. I don't think, I've done past a couple people, don't think they're gonna bother nobody, so I don't think they're too bright. I think they're about right. Not too bright. And this right here is dim, and that right there is bright. So definitely be able to tell the difference between them. So hope y'all enjoyed this little video. If you do, share. If you're looking for headlights, check them out. Hit subscribe, bell notification, leave a comment. Y'all be careful, y'all be safe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.